Alright, I've got the new Samsung 16 to 50 OIS lens and wanted to run it through some paces here. Um, Very small and compact compared to the other kit lens, 18 to 50, but it does open up when the power's on and compresses when it's off, so it does add some more space to it, some more size, but it's still smaller than the 18 to 50 and substantially lighter. There isn't a hood that you can put on it, but there is a screw-in option, but there's no bayonet type hood you'd be able to put on it for sunshade. I wanted to do show a few clips or a few stills, just kind of putting it through some general flower pictures in the yard here, nothing too special. It's an overall type of kit type lens, so not really any special purpose to it. I was going to use it as a traveling lens because it's so small and it fits in this camera quite nicely. But here is an example. We'll start off with dive into a movie here. It's on ISO 800, continual autofocus, and I wanted to just show the noise as I manipulate around the camera, zoom in, zoom out, because the kit lens was horribly noisy, and I just want to see how this one does. This is outside environment, so we've got some ambient noise obviously, but I tried to wait till it was as quiet as possible to come out here and test this out. So without further ado, this is going to operate on the zoom ring, and this is not on a tripod, so there goes an airplane. So continuous autofocus, not on a tripod, and we're using the zoom ring on the inside, on the lens itself, which can also be used in manual focus. But when you're in autofocus, it zooms in and out. Switch to autofocus here after the airplane goes by. Alright, so now we're in manual focus and just waiting for the plane to go by, but using the buttons on the side for zooming in and out now. Now we're back to the continuous autofocus, so we'll zoom in and out now using the buttons, the plus and minus. We'll zoom out using the ring. And we'll just walk it through the flowers here and see how the continuous autofocus does. Alright, one more try inside, see if we can get it as quiet as possible. Now here's the zoom ring, again no tripod, just hand holding the camera. Zoom ring for zooming in and out. Now using the buttons to zoom in and out.
little focus using the focus ring. And there goes the air conditioner again, so it's going to be hard. That was hopefully getting everything in there. So that's mostly what I wanted to show you. Hopefully it is helpful in some regard.